Hi and welcome. In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate a simple hack to improve the dust collection on the Dewalt DWS779 sliding compound miter saw.
One of the issues I have with the saw is you'll see momentarily when I turn on the vac that the shroud, or whatever you want to call it, collapses on itself. The solution I found online, it's not my original idea, is to actually just take a bottle of Coke, cut the top, and then I just put a little slot in there and then place this in the little rubber shroud. Now, whenever you start the vacuum, it stays open. I think this will help a little bit. We'll see.
I hope this simple hack was useful to some of you. It's pretty simple, cheap, and easy to do. Thanks again for watching. Hope to see you again soon. Bye.